In TIBCO EMS, you can route a message from one server to another server. We can create bidirectional routes between TIBCO EMS servers. So let me create multiple servers here, and I'll create a routing between all these servers. Okay, so I'm going to create 3 servers now. Okay, you can copy all the configuration files. Configuration management, EMS data. So what we can do is we can copy this data folder, and one we can rename this as US. The other one we can rename it as EU. The third one you can rename this as APAC. Okay, now if there are any policy changes in US, okay, then that information has to be routed to the EU server or to the APAC server. From APAC to EU, we need to route a message. Okay, so let's create. We need to do the configuration changes. Okay, we need to go to the TIBCO.config file. You can change the server name as US. Okay, and instead of data, you need to change this to, because we copied to a US folder, replace all, so that it will point to the US server, all this configuration files. Okay, and also the data store also will be configured to the US folder now. Okay, and also in this you need to enable routing. So there is, by default it will be disabled, so you can enable the routing, and also you can change the port number. Default is 7222, right? So you can change to 7333. Okay, so this is the port the US server will be running. Save it. Now you can go for the next server, which is APAC server. So here go to the TIBCO.config file, change this server name as APAC, and this also you need to modify it from /data to APAC. Replace all. In this also you need to change the port number. So earlier we changed the port number to 7333. Now we are changing this to 7444, and we'll be enabling the routing here. Okay, just save this, go for the other server, modify it. Go to the last server, which is a EU server. So go to TIBCO.config file, change the name of the server as EU. Any name you can provide. Okay, in this also will be changing the name as EU and replace all. So now this server will be running, assume that 7555, and routing we need to enable it. Save it. So now all three servers are ready to start. So what we can do is we can copy this, copy full file path to clipboard. Okay, now open the admin server. So go to the command prompt. Open the command prompt here. So I'll be disconnecting from the server. Oops. Let me open one more command prompt. So in order to start a EMS server, we can start using this configuration file, right? So go to TIBCO EMS and 8.3 bin. You can go to the tip EMS d -config. We need to specify the complete path of the configuration file. Click enter. So it will start the server on 7555 port, 7555 port. Similarly, we can start one more server. tbms-exe-config. You can start one more server, which is an APAC server. So it will start on 7444. Okay, you can start one more server, US server. Now install directory EMS again with all the three servers. EMS -config. So we need to start the US server. So all the three servers are up and running now. So we will be creating a route between US to APAC, from APAC to EU. Okay. So in order to create, we can open an admin tool. So we have the admin tool already opened here. So we'll disconnect from 7222. Now we'll connect to 7333. Okay, so now we connected to 7333 server. Okay, now we're going to create a route between the US server and the APAC server. Okay, so create a route. Okay, route name we need to specify. The target server is APAC APAC URL equals to TCP://7444. So it will create a route between the US server and APAC server. Similarly, you can create a route between the APAC server to EU server. So you can create one more topic here. Okay, so we need to make a topic name as global. Okay, so we can use the existing one. We can add a property, or we can create a new topic. Okay, I'm going to create a new topic here, which is t dot if you want to add a property, we can add a property, add prop. Okay, topic. Okay, you need to specify as global. So we added a property called global to the topic. Okay, so now we can disconnect from the server, connect to the other server, which is 74444. Okay, similarly here also we need to create a route between the APAC server and EU server. So we're going to create a route EU. We need to specify the target server name here. Okay, we specified as EU, and we'll be using 7555 to connect to the EU server. So in this server also we need to create a topic. So that topic will be routed to multiple servers. T dot. So here directly we can specify as global also. So it has created a topic here with a property global. So we'll disconnect from the server, we'll connect to the last server, which is a EU server, to create topic there. 7555. Now we create topic here. So we created one more topic here. Okay, which is t dot volume. So now we'll be routing whenever you publish to the US server, the same topic data will go to APAC as well as EU, because we created a route between US to APAC from EU. And also we enable routing in all these servers, so it will route the message from one server to another server. So let's do that testing in Designer. Create a new folder as routes. Add a resource. Now I will be creating all the connections. This is US connection, which connects to 7333. You can use the JNDI. Oops, to change the port number here. Test connection disconnected. Similarly, we need to configure 2 more connections for APAC and EU. There's APAC connection, which is 7444. Test connection, and the last server is EU connection. 7555. Apply and test connection. You can check whether the server is running or not, is able to connect or not. Click OK. Then we can use topic publisher to publish the message to the EU server. So let's specify as US topic publisher. So use JMS topic publisher here, which publishes message to the US server. And we create topic t.boolean, click apply, and you can send any message. You can read a file or XML, whatever. So I'm using just a test data here. Data sent to US server. Save it. Go for the topic subscribers. So I'm going to create a topic subscriber here. This is a US topic subscriber. Change the connection name here to the US connection. And also the server name. Save it. Go for other subscribers. So I'm going to create two more subscribers. One is for APAC, other one is for EU. So we need to change the connection here to APAC. Change this as EU topic subscriber. Change the connection to the EU server. Save it now and run this. So if you publish the message to the US server, all other subscribers also will get the message. Send it to the US publisher, publishes a message, it goes to all the servers. If you click on that and see the data here, data sent to US server. So we got it in EU as well as APAC. That's the end of this routing mechanism in EMS server.